Alright guys, we are coming to you today from beautiful Melissa, Texas. It is absolutely gorgeous out here. This is actually going to be the first trail that was ever instituted by the city of Melissa. It is right here by 75 north and south actually, so there's a lot of traffic going by. Hopefully there's not going to be a whole lot of noise, but we're going to take you guys on an awesome adventure today. We're going to go down. It actually goes all the way from 75 all the way to Highway 5. So this is going to be a fun afternoon. I've got Milo with me. We're going to have a great time today. I have a new app that's going to show our distance, how far we traveled. Hopefully, don't look at the miles per hour because I'm going to be really going slow today. But just a leisurely stroll through Melissa today. So this is going to be a lot of fun. We're going to have a good time, and stay with me. It's absolutely beautiful with all these benches and things like that they've done in the city. It's got lamp posts along the way. It's a very beautiful trail. This is where the neighborhood bobcat kind of hangs out over here. We've seen him every once in a while. They have a little workout spot here. You can do, looks like chest press if you want to exercise, do some exercises outside. There's a sit-up and crunch spot here. You can also do some dips, push-ups, pull-ups by Exercraft. That's here along the trail in Melissa. Another very nice bench area, kind of overlooking wooded area. Got some trash cans as well. I think that's very nice to have that along the trails here. This is their first trail in a planned master expansion to have over 40 miles of trails in Melissa area. my very favorite signs to see in anywhere, any school. Staff of Melissa schools are armed and trained, and we use the force necessary to protect our children. Love it. One last stop on the trail here is the other bench area. All right, guys, well, that is going to conclude our video for the trail in Melissa, the first trail ever that was established by the city of Melissa, right at 1.02 miles. So it's ending right here on Highway 5, and just such a great, beautiful town, beautiful day. And so thank you guys for joining me for Texas Nature Trails, and see you guys